Blizzard outdoor banner stand is a durable, superior quality display. The banner is adjustable in both width and height, allowing for multiple graphic size options. Assembly is quick and easy. To begin, fill the base of the stand with water or sand to give the display its stability. Next, insert the pole into the base. After that, hook the bottom bar to the front of the base. Now we're ready to attach our graphic. First, place the hooks located at the top of the pole into the top corners of the graphic. Then attach your graphic to the bottom bar using the hooks on each side. Raise the bars holding the graphic along the pole until the graphic is taut horizontally. Lock the latch to hold the bar in place. Then, pull out the left end of the bottom bar and lock the latch to tighten the graphic vertically. The banner setup is now complete. Thanks again for visiting our YouTube page. Please take another look at some of our other videos, subscribe, and reach out for more information.